How to fix Virgin Media Booster not working problem. Step 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the booster is plugged into a working power outlet. You should see a power light on the booster. If it's not lit up, try plugging it into a different socket. Step 2. Restart your booster. Next, let's restart the booster. Simply unplug it from the power outlet, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can often fix any temporary issues with the device. Step 3. Check the connection to your router. Make sure the booster and router are connected with a tight Ethernet cable to avoid any connection issues. Step 4. Reset the booster. To reset a Wi-Fi booster, locate the reset button, usually a small hole, press and hold it with a pin or paperclip for about 10 seconds until the lights start flashing. This will restore the booster to its factory settings. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Open a web browser and log in to your Virgin Media Hub settings. Find the Firmware Updates section and follow the instructions to update your booster. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped get your Virgin Media Booster working again. Thanks for watching.